Today I'm going to show you a really interesting engine, which is basically a locomotive, which is the property of Pakistan's railway. It was manufactured by the North British Locomotive, a really famous company. They have manufactured it in 1907. It is almost 100 years old engine, which contains 645 horsepower. It served to Pakistan around 81 years. It was first used in March 1908. Its initial price was 46,000 Pak rupees only, and it weighed around 58 tons. I'm having its complete history. If anybody wants and feel interested, let me know in comment box. I will reply. Thank you very much.